Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I have Walter with me. This is my niece's little guy. Can you tell him how old you are?
4.
4? You're so big, aren't you? We are gonna do a fun, easy summer haircut. We're gonna do a number 2. We're gonna take it short so it's easy for the pool, right? You love to swim? Yes. Okay, sweet. We are gonna do a number 2. Ooh, does it tickle? Okay, tilt your head this way. Good job. Does it kind of tickle? Yeah. Awesome. Okay, we're going to take this back. Just going to take this up to about this area. That's a lot of hair, buddy. Okay, now look up a little bit. Good job. These are my favorite haircuts when you can really see the change. Huh, Walter? Yeah. Just coming back through this bottom, making sure I got all that. All right, now what we'll do is spray it down. Is that a little cold, buddy? Okay, look up. Thank you. Okay, we are gonna start in this middle and the back. We're going to do it finger length so it's nice and easy. So I like to start in the middle and go side to side. That's just what I've always done. And then I always take care of this back first after this guide point. How you doing, Walter? Good? Okay. Okay, and then put your head up. Thank you, buddy. Again, we're going to the middle and then the sides. Yeah, this is a good haircut to last through the summer. Just go short. You don't have to really deal with it. Even if you don't put gel in it and style it for the day, it just falls into place. So it's nice and short. So you don't have to deal with it. So if you're looking for something easy for your little guys, this is a good one. Okay, look up, buddy. Thank you. This is how I keep track of where I'm at. I like to do the middle and then side to side. I just always have. If you have a different way of keeping track of where you cut through the top, then that is awesome. Okay. And then I always double check. I always tell people, if you cut one way, always double check the opposite way. Okay, look up here. Right there. Good job, buddy. Are you excited for short hair? Yeah? Good. Keep your head up. Good job. All right. Okay, look up here. Awesome. Now we're going to do this front. I'm just going to point cut into this. Good job, Walter. All right, now we are going to come through, and I'm going to come through this front area. Okay, lift your head. Good job, buddy. And if you're just learning how to blend, you might want to come just up vertical this way. If you've done it a little bit, obviously you could go horizontal. Okay, hold your head really still, okay? Right there. Good job. Good. You're holding really still. I always like to get this front part pretty tight. Okay, look up. So the closer you leave this comb in by the head, the more hair you're going to take. So if you're a little nervous, you can bring the comb out and keep it angled out more this way and come up vertical this way as you go. And it takes a little bit off at a time. So that might be easier if you're starting. If not, you obviously can go horizontal. Takes off more hair at once. To her head. All right. I'm just making sure that on the both sides, that I'm not coming in too far, but because if you come in too far, sometimes you take too much hair off. Okay. Again, we're going to take this little corner off. Okay, look up at RaDona. Let's see. Okay, I can see that it needs a little bit closer right through this area. You look up. Good job, buddy. All right, I'm gonna turn him to the mirror so I can see the sides, because you wanna make sure that these are lined up and blended well. Okay, I'm gonna do a tiny bit right here. Okay, look up this way. Perfect. Right there, good job. All right, now I'm just gonna come back through, check my corners. If you check the corners, it just makes the hair when it grows out. Can you look right here? Good job, just hold your head really still, buddy. It will help grow out nicely if you get the corners. You won't really notice too much, like at the first of the haircut, but as it starts growing out, you'll notice it more. Okay, now we're gonna take the trimmers. We're gonna come straight across from this ear. Look up, right there. Okay. Gonna come and, whoops, gonna just move your cute little ear. Go behind it. Okay, and we'll start here in this back, in the middle. Okay, and then we're gonna come up around his ear, clean that up. Okay, I'm gonna come back around. Okay, keep your head right there, buddy. Just gonna take these a little bit tighter. These corners. Well, that one's short enough. Okay, awesome. Now we're gonna take some gel. Bless you. Okay, I'm just gonna put that gel in there. Okay, can you look up here, Walter? Yep, up right there. Oh man, you look awesome, buddy. Okay. Does that feel better? All right, okay, look at the camera. Show them. Can we smile? Okay, we're gonna turn them around. Awesome. Okay, you guys, thank you so, so much for watching. Appreciate it. Hope you have a phenomenal day. And tell them, say, we'll see you next time. See ya. Have a good one.